Hello everyone and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. This week we're learning how to sign Lord, I Need You by Matt Maher. We're going to do this in 4 parts. Today we're going to learn verse 1 in the chorus. Tomorrow we'll learn verse 2 and the bridge. Then day number 3 we're going to do a walkthrough of everything, and day number 4 we will sign with the music. Remember, I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. And if you look below the video in the description, there's a link to print out the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing. Okay. Lord, I come, I confess. So Lord, L, shoulder down to your hip, and then I come. So really we're saying I come to you in heaven. So I'm going to change it up just a little bit, and I'm going to be in your presence. Okay, so God's up here and I'm here. Okay, so Lord, I come, I confess. I, pointing to yourself. And then for confess, you have your hand here on the chest, and then you're going to get something off your chest. Oh, I confess. It's out there. Okay, I confess. Bowing here. So bowing, or you could do bowing here. I find my rest. Pointing to yourself, I, and then for find, you're going to pick something up, and conveniently it makes an F. Oh, find. Okay, so find. My rest. My, and then rest, 2 hands here. Rest. Okay, I find my rest. So it's not quite the same as giving yourself a hug, but rest. Without you. With, and then without. Okay, so this is with, without. Without. You, I fall apart. I, and then fall apart, you're almost going to make like a bridge here. So your fingers are kind of spread a little bit, and then it's going to fall apart. I fall apart. You're the one who guides my heart. You, so you're the one. So you're going to hold that you there for a while. Guides. Okay, so you're going to take your non-dominant hand and pull forward your dominant hand. You're guiding it. My, and then heart, an outline of your heart. Let's try that from the top. That's all of verse 1. Lord, I come, I confess, bowing here, I find my rest. Without you, I fall apart. You're the one who guides my heart. And now the chorus for this song is really easy, lots of repetition. So once again, Lord, L, from your shoulder down to your hip. I, pointing to yourself, and then need. You're going to have like that X hand position. Need, need. I need you. And you can sign O if you want. It's just kind of like an O like this. Oh, I need you. Every hour, so every, you have kind of not quite a thumbs up, but your thumbs are just up a little bit. Every, okay? Every hour, you're going to take your hand here, and it's like you go around the clock. Okay, so index finger up, go around the clock. Every hour, and then again, I need you. My one defense, so we're going to say my defense, S's. You're blocking something. My defense, my righteousness. So there are a couple different signs out there for righteousness, but we're going to keep it nice and simple. You're going to have just your index fingers up, and you're going to take your dominant one, tap it across the top of your hand twice. My righteousness, and then it repeats again. Oh God, so God is a B down the middle of your face. I need you. Let's practice that a few times, okay? Lord, I need you. Oh, I need you. Every hour, I need you. My one defense, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need you. One more time. Lord, I need you. Oh, I need you. Every hour I need you. My one defense, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need you. Can we put them both together? What do you think? First one in the chorus. We can do this. We can do this. Okay. Lord, Lord, I come. We're in God's presence. I confess. Bowing here, I find my rest. Without you, I fall apart. You're the one who guides my heart. Lord, I need you. I need you. Every hour I need you. My one defense, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need you. If it doesn't come right away, give it some time, practice, you'll get there. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we learn verse 2 and the bridge. Bye. I hope above all that wherever you are healthy and that you are well, and that you always remember that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. I hope you have a great day. Bye.